Hi guys, today is Wednesday, April 1st, and I'm Senora Roque. April Fools! It's me, Mrs. DePietro, and I want to talk to you a little bit about your plans for today. All right, today you are going to start with watching a phonics video. I have a new phonics video for you. Don't forget something to write with and something to write on for the spelling part. You're going to do an episode of Headsprout. For ELA today, I'm combining reading and writing. You're going to watch a video on brainstorming your realistic character. We're going to start writing realistic fiction pieces. And so today you're creating your character. And then in your notebook, you're going to start thinking about your character. You're going to give them a name and you're going to have a setting for them. I'll show you a little bit about what I mean. So we're talking about real fiction stories, stories that did not happen but could have happened. Like Mr. Putter, he is not a real character. He's not a real person. But his actions and things he says and things he does and things about his character could happen in real life. Fantasy fiction stories are stories that could not happen in real life. Dogs and cats talking, aliens being a character in your story, all of those are fantasy fiction. We're talking about real fiction stories. So the character that you create, you're going to give your character a name. You're going to decide if your character is a girl or a boy. You're going to think about what your character looks like, their eye color, their hair color. How old are they? Are they going to be an older person? Or a younger person, maybe someone who you might want as a friend. How do they dress? What kind of things do they like? And then you're going to draw a picture of your character. All of this you're going to do in your notebook. So here's mine. This is my character. Her name is Violet, and I created a setting for her. She lives in a little house with a lot of yard. And so that's all you're going to do for today with your character. We're going to talk more about problems and solutions another day. So going back to your assignments, after you create your character and give them a name and draw them, you're going to read for 15 or 20 minutes. I hope you guys have an awesome day learning. As always, email me or send me a message if you need any help. I'm here for you. Have an awesome day learning, guys.